In my last video, I demonstrated how I replaced the CPU in this Acer gaming laptop, and everything seems to have gone pretty well. So I went on to do some further testings and stuff, and then I saw this. Not a good sign. Error code 43 on the Nvidia graphics. So of course the first reaction is to reinstall the graphics driver. That didn't help. So it kind of points to another hardware problem, this time on the graphics side of things. So it's kind of annoying when you thought you fixed something only to have another problem showing up. Anyways, I went on to do a match test to check on the video memories. Maybe I should do the test again now to show you what I found. Let me just get some commands going. So we got the match test results here, and we can clearly see that there are some errors reported in one of the channels. So this is a GTX 1050 chip, so it is paired with 4 gigs of VRAM, and that's why you got 4 channels here. This is A0, A1, B0, B1. So the one reporting errors is on the A1 channel. Most likely it's a VRAM chip causing the problem, and that is why we see the error code 43 in the device manager earlier. So looks like we're gonna have to remove the motherboard and take a look. So I got the motherboard out again, and we can see that the 4 VRAMs are here, and this is the A1 chip that we are looking at. We can tell by looking diagonally across the arrow here on the graphics core chip. It always starts with the A1 and then A0, B1 and B0. So before we try to replace any chips, it's good to check on other areas of the motherboard to see if there are any damages that might have contributed to the problem, like the data traces here. This connects the VRAM to the graphics core chip, so I can see that it's all looking good. There are no cuts or damages. So looks like we're gonna have to replace the VRAM after all. I just want to add that it's not very often that you have 2 hardware problems in the same board at the same time. Remember, we replaced the CPU in my last video. That was caused by a shorted MOSFET here in the power delivery. So I don't think that has any effect on the VRAMs. So anyway, it's not uncommon to have a VRAM failing over time, especially since this is a gaming laptop. It's probably seen some stress and mileage over the years, so it's just quite unlucky. It is what it is, and we just gotta fix it. And let me just find a replacement chip for this VRAM here, and we see how it goes. I found a replacement VRAM chip. Look no further, it's from the exact same Asus motherboard where I took out the CPU to replace it here. Looks like it's got the exact same matching VRAM as well. If you see it here, HC28 has a matching part number. Alright, so let me just take out one of these and switch it over here. Let's get started.